Crude oil is arguably one of the most popular commodities in the world. In this video, you'll learn how to trade crude oil with XTB. Primarily, it's used to produce liquid fuels for various means of transport and is also used in the production of other important goods. But its most important use is to obtain energy. Currently, it accounts for about a third of the global energy supply, which, unsurprisingly, makes it a popular commodity to trade. Here's how to trade crude oil via CFDs with XTB. One of the many ways to get exposure to oil is to trade CFDs. XTB offers CFDs for Brent crude oil and CFDs for WTI crude oil, i.e. instruments whose price is based on the current crude oil price, Brent and WTI, listed on the organised market. Brent and WTI are the two most commonly talked about oil benchmarks in the oil market. There are also different types of oil that differ in price depending on their properties, the place of their extraction, and their transport. To trade in the oil market, you can use our XTB trading platform, which allows you to invest in a wide range of financial instruments. Thanks to the calculator built into the order window, you can set the stop loss or take profit order on the assumptions resulting from your investment strategy. What are the other options for investing in oil with XTB? In addition to CFDs, several ETFs allow investors to gain exposure to the oil market. Apart from that, investors might also seek indirect exposure to the prices of oil. Investing in CFD stocks of the largest oil mining companies is another way of creating a diversified portfolio. What should you look out for when investing in oil? Oil prices are constantly changing due to fluctuations in demand and supply. Several factors affect oil prices, including natural disasters, war, civil unrest, currency movements, global economic growth, and transportation and storage costs. Also, recent alternative fuel developments have been influencing the oil market. Therefore, it's important to keep up to date with any news or data releases that could move the prices of oil. Investors have access to the most crucial information from the oil market thanks to our market news section, in which our analysts also present a general picture of the market and indicate potential investment opportunities. When analysing the market, it's also important to have access to real-time oil prices, which is possible thanks to our XStation 5 platform. To start investing in the oil market, you only need to open an investment account with XTB, which can be done via our app or online. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.